honored to support you through your birth experience at the baby-friendly designated New York Presbyterian Lower Manhattan Hospital. You are in compassionate and expert hands. Let's take a look at the step-by-step process, from arrival to departure. Our labor and delivery unit is located on the 6th floor of New York Presbyterian Lower Manhattan Hospital on 170 William Street. If you're arriving by car, you have the option of parking in the parking garage next to the William Street entrance. You'll then take the letter A elevators to the 6th floor. When you arrive, you'll be greeted and asked for your ID to check you in. You will then proceed to triage for a labor evaluation. A nurse will continue to monitor your status and prepare you for the transition to our labor and delivery rooms. In triage, you'll change and a nurse will take your vitals, test you for COVID-19, and prepare you on next steps. Your care team of nurses and doctors will then track the status of your contractions and your baby's heartbeat. Once you're admitted, a member of your care team will take you to the labor room, where we will continue to monitor your progress. During your stay, you can be accompanied by a partner or support person and a trained doula. If you are scheduled for a cesarean delivery or your care team determines a cesarean delivery is necessary, you'll be taken to an operating room where you can be joined by your partner or support person. We are happy to support a variety of birth experiences while focusing on the safety of the mother and baby. If you're considering an epidural, anesthesiologists are on call 24/7. Birth plans will be followed as much as medically possible. As a baby-friendly designated hospital, we encourage bonding with your baby starting at delivery with skin-to-skin contact and breastfeeding. For the safety of your new baby, an electronic ID bracelet matching yours will be placed on each ankle of your little one. If necessary, our facility has a state-of-the-art neonatal intensive care unit to ensure our newborns have the best care available. After your baby is born, you'll recover and bond with your baby in the postpartum unit. We are here to empower you to continue caring for your baby. We'll teach you how to hold and bathe your baby and how to identify their feeding cues. Rooming in with your newborn is encouraged, and we have a team of expert pediatricians to care for your infant during your stay. Towards the end of your stay, an OB doctor and pediatrician will confirm you and your little one are both ready to go home with the key essentials. The end of this journey marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for you and your family. One where we are always here for you. Find us anytime at nyp.org/LMH-maternity. We look forward to sharing in your birth experience at New York Presbyterian Lower Manhattan Hospital.